This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 9, spare tire kit, refrigerator, external shower, leveling jacks, awning, oven, Colorado detector, smoke detector, stove top burner, air conditioning, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 315BH is 7,980 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.